everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to change font size on your laptop, whether you want bigger text or smaller text. I will walk you through every step. Let's get started. How to change font size on laptop step by step. It is super easy. Step 1, open settings. Click on start button. This is the start button. Click on it. Then click on settings. This is the settings. Click on it. Step 1 done. Let's continue to step 2. Step 2, go to accessibility. Click on accessibility. This is accessibility. Click on it. Then click on text size. This is the text size. Click on it. Step 2 done. Let's continue to step 3. Step 3, adjust the text size. This is the slider. Move the slider to the right to make the text bigger. Now look the above. The above sentence, the text changed to bigger. Then move it to left to make the text smaller. Now look the text. Change it to smaller. Continue until you get your desired font size. Step 3 done. Let's continue step 4. Step 4, apply change. This is the apply. Here is the slide, the right side. After click on apply, wait a few seconds. Your screen will flash. The font size will change. Now click on apply. Done. Everything is set. Let's continue step 5. This is optional to adjust everything if you want to make everything bigger. Go to setting, right click on the start button, click on start button, click on settings. From the list, click on system, then click on display. Under the scale and layout, here this is the layout and scale and layout, click on scale. Write the number from 125 to 150. Click on the right mark. Done. Now if you don't like bigger or small text, reset to default. Click on start button, click on settings, click on system, then click on display. Scroll down, click on scale, right 100. Click on the right mark. Scroll down, click on text size, move the slider to left until 100%. Then click on apply. Done. Let me give you tips. Test the different size until you comfortable. Larger fonts produce I strain. And on your phone, go to setting, click on display, click on font size and style, move the slider to right or to left. Then just click on back. Done. And that's it. You have just learned how to change the font size on your laptop as well as your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.